Destiny is on the picture. Hi, Destiny. That's enough talking from me. Is there a bird behind the picture? She's chirping to something. Hi, sunshine. Who are you talking to, Destiny? You want to come down? Come on. Blech. My wedding picture. What are you looking at, Destiny? I just stepped on Ariel's feet. Yeah, Destiny. What are you doing? Are you a diva? She stepped on my foot. I'm going to think you want to put a video. Destiny, you want to come down? All right, take her down. She's nervous. Ariel's going to get you. Just Ariel's hand is in this video. Yeah, easier said than done. No, I don't want to come down. Yes, our little diva. No, she's nervous. Something's making her scared. For a change. Now where you going, Destiny? Hi, Destiny. Back again. Watch this, watch. Let's see if we can get it from the start to the bottom. I didn't even see her go up there. Destiny. What a diva. Liberty and Bean used to do the same thing. Rocky? I don't remember. I don't think Rocky did it here. Destiny, come on.